Good morning, children. I hope all you stay safe in your home. So, now how are you? Can you remember? I think we couldn't cover the things in the lesson constructions. I hope you can remember. So, since you have more time to start the school, so let's do some work, isn't it? It's be better. Okay. So, the last lesson we did when school stops. So that was the constructions. Can you remember? There we have done drawing perpendicular bisector. So we stop from there. So today I am doing drawing an angle bisector. So before doing the lesson, you take your writing book and write with me. Okay? So all these things should be written in your writing book. So if you don't have your writing book, so please write in some papers. After receiving your book or after finding your book, you can attach those papers. So today our lesson is drawing an angle bisector. Okay, this is the heading. So, since our lesson is constructions, we should know how to draw an angle bisector properly. Okay. So, first I will explain what is called an angle bisector. Okay. I hope you can see drawing an angle bisector, isn't it? Okay. Now let's see how to do this. So first I will show you how to draw, and let's take an example. So first I will draw some angle without measuring. So can you see, this is an angle. So I will name it A, B, C. So where you can find the angle? Here. So I want to divide this angle into two equal parts. So what I am doing there, I will draw a line from here. Now this is not a correct measurement. I just need to show you what is called an angle bisector. Okay. So this line divides the whole angle into two equal parts. Therefore, we call this line an angle bisector. Okay. Angle. This line divides angle bisector. Bi means two. Sector, dividing into two. That means this line, angle bisector, divides an angle into two equal parts. Okay. So I will write here an angle bisector. All these things you have to write in your writing book. And I hope you can see an angle bisector. An angle divides the angle into two equal parts. Okay. So this is how I introduce an angle bisector. Okay. Now I will show you how to draw an angle bisector properly with your knowledge of construction. So when you are doing constructions, you need to use these things. To draw an angle bisector, you need to use these things. Take your pencil and your ruler, and what is this? Your compass as well as the protractor. Okay. So I will do an example from your textbook. In your textbook, you have exercise 12.3. So turn to that page of your textbook. Exercise 12.3. Okay, so there we will do the question number 1. So now turn to that page of your textbook. So there I will read the questions you have. Question number 1. So I will repeat it in your textbook. Exercise 12.3. Question number 1. A. Draw a line 8 cm long and label it AB. Use a protractor to measure an angle of 50 degrees from B. B. Draw another line 8 cm long to complete the angle. You must remember you need to draw 2 lines to draw an angle. That is your general knowledge. Label the end of the line C. Put the compass point on the vertex of the angle B and draw an arc that crosses BA and BC. Put the compass point on the point where the arc crosses BA and draw an arc in the middle of the angle. Do the same from the point where the arc crosses BC. Join the point where the 2 arcs cross in the middle of the angle to point B. Use a straight edge to draw the straight line. So, I think you maybe not understand these things. So, I will show you how to do. So, we will start from the few steps. So, in the first step, so I have said you when you are doing constructions, start from the middle of the page. Okay. So, in the first step, you have draw a line 8 cm long. So, I drew a line. So, you must remember first draw a line. So, then how to take the measurement? Take your compass. So, this is called the point of your compass. Okay. So, keep compass point on the zero of your ruler and move the other part to 8 cm. I hope you can see. Okay, 0 to 8. Can you see? 0 to 8. Okay, I took 8 centimeters. So starting from here, I kept the compass like this and measured 8 centimeters. So now, what's there? Draw a line 8 centimeter long. So what is the first step? You have to mark the length and label it A, B. Okay, first step is done. Then use a protractor. So I took my protractor to measure an angle of 50 degrees from B. So you should start from B. Where is B? Here you can find B. So use your protractor and keep it like this and measure 50. So starting from here, you can see 50 is here. So I measured 50. Can you see? So now I measured 50. Now look at part B. Draw another line 8 cm long to complete the angle. So this is one line of the angle. Now we measured 50. So this is the other line we are completing the angle. Okay. So that line should be 8 centimeters. So I took 8 centimeters to the compass. So then after that I marked there 8 centimeters. Okay, can you see? This is 8 cm. So here also you need to mark this line is 8 cm. Okay, this is the place. So this point is called C. It is said label the end of the line C. Now let's look at part C. Put the compass point. This is the compass point. This is called compass point. Okay. On the vertex of the angle B. This is called vertex. These two lines are called arms. So I put my compass point on the vertex of angle B. So can you see I have put. And draw an arc that crosses, it should be cross BA and BC. So what do you have to do first? Now these two lines are 8 centimeters. So take your compass, take more than half of this line. That means half is 4 centimeters. More than half means more than 4 centimeters. Take a distance of compass more than half. Now you should do this first before you draw arcs. Okay. Now I kept compass point on B. Now this is more than half. Okay. So I drew an arc that crosses BA. Then I drew an arc that crosses BC. So you can see there are two arcs. Okay. Now let's go to D. Put the compass point on the point where arc crosses. Now in part D, what you have to do, now you have drawn two arcs. You can see those two. Now put your compass point on that place, one place. The place that crosses an arc and line BE. So keep there, and in the middle of the place angle, draw another arc. Now keep your compass here. Now draw another arc that crosses the previous one. That is what said in part D. Put the compass point on the point where the arc crosses BA. This is the point where the arc crosses BA. You can see this is the arc. It crosses BA in this place. So you have to keep your compass there and draw another arc like this. Then an arc crosses BA and draw in the middle. Draw an arc in the middle of the angle. This is the middle place of the angle. So there you have to draw the arc here, not in this side, other side, okay, in this place. So now next go to do the same from the point where arc crosses BC. So this is the place arc crosses BC. So I drew another arc in the middle of the angle. Understood? So now next, join the point where the two arcs cross in the middle. This is the place where the two arcs cross. Middle of the angle to point B. So you have to join these 2 points. Can you remember? Previously I said this is the line that divides this angle into 2 equal parts. Likewise, this is the line that divides this angle into 2 parts. So we drew here 50 degrees angle, isn't it? 50 degrees angle. Now this line divides this 50 degrees angle into 2 equal parts. Okay. So that is called the angle bisector. So this is the angle bisector. of the angle ABC. So I hope you can understand this one. As a practice, now do the question number 2 of the exercise 12.3. Before that, I will show you again how to draw the angle bisector again. So think I will just do an example to show you. No need to draw this again. You can continue the previous things. This is another example I will show you how to do. Okay. So now I drew an angle. Okay, I don't know what is the value of this. So this is the angle. I hope you can see. Then what did I do? I took the compass and I took the more than half of this line to the compass. And this is the vertex of the angle. So I kept there and I drew one arc. And I do another. I will draw another arc. Okay. After that, now what you have to do? You can see these are the points that crosses arcs and the arms of the angle. Two lines of the angle. So again, I have kept. You can take any distance to the compass. In this place where the arc and the line crosses, I kept the compass point there. In the middle of the angle, I drew another arc. Same thing I have done for the other place. So here also I drew another arc in the middle. So you can see this point crosses the two arcs. So now join the line from the vertex of the angle and this point. So this is the angle bisector. So I will show you full image. Okay, so this is the whole angle. It divides into two equal parts by this angle bisector. I hope you understood these things. So no need to draw this one. I just explain again. So what you have to do in your writing book, write the heading, draw in an angle bisector. Then draw this part. This is just an explanation. And we'll do some questions. Okay, this is one question. First question from exercise 12.3. I have done it. So you can do with me when I am doing these things. Then you can do the second question alone. So in our next video, we will do another example and show whether we will see whether you have done it correctly or not. I will discuss the example too. Okay, the question number 2. So before that, you need to do it. Okay, so you need to complete all these things in your writing book. So we'll stop from here. In my next video, I will show you how to do the question number 2. Okay, thank you.